We got our Coke today. Let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and today we are looking at another knife. This is the Civivi Elementum in marbled carbon fiber. I was looking on YouTube. There's not a ton of videos about this specific version of the Elementum. So then I thought, okay, let's just go ahead and bring it onto my channel and see what my thoughts are. Guys, they sell the Elementum in multitudes of different places. I got mine at Blade HQ. You can pick it up on Amazon and then other places like that. This specific model was about $76 when I actually purchased it. And I'll tell you guys right now that this knife is going to live up to the hype. There's a reason why they sell out almost instantaneously. Let's just go ahead and dive right into the specs. So the overall handle length, you're looking at about 4 inches long. With it deployed, you're looking at 6.99 inches long, and then the overall blade length, you're looking at about 2.62 inches long. So form factor wise, this is fantastic. It weighs about 2.6 ounces or 2.7 ounces, give or take, depending on the model that you get, because they do have a brass, a copper, different variation. You've got G10 options. The blade is going to be made of D2 steel that is on a hollow grind with a drop point style blade. So now that we've got all that stuff out of the way, let's talk about the knife itself. This thing is fantastic. I think it's probably one of the best budget knives on the market, period. The reason being is because of its form factor. This thing is almost like the perfect EDC knife size. On the other side, you'll notice that this is going to be a deep carry pocket clip, and it is a very deep carry pocket clip. It's going to sit and nest in your pocket really well. And then right next to that, you do have a paracord or lanyard holes. Now the pocket clip is non-reversible, so you can't switch it over to the other side. I don't mind that because I am a right-handed user, and it will work out just fine for me personally. So let's go ahead and talk about the finish on this one specifically. It has that carbon fiber inlay on both sides. It's that marbled finish. This is my first time experiencing the carbon fiber from Civivi, and I actually really dig it. It is a really good aesthetic. And if you're looking for something that is going to be on the cheaper range but still has a carbon fiber, it's going to look great. So let's go ahead and talk about why the Elementum is so well known. Not only is it on bearings, but the action is just absolutely fantastic. So the detent with this one is great. As you can tell, it just fires right out. You don't have to put a ton of force into it, and it just is buttery smooth. Now with the locking system, we are looking at the liner lock from Civivi, and this one is actually one of the best, I guess, liner locks that I've experienced from the company itself. And you guys have known, I've done the Shredder, I've done the Mini Bull Mastiff, we've done a ton of Civivi knives, and this has turned out to be the best one in my opinion. Basically, when you go to unlock it, this thing is very drop shut friendly. And for a $75 knife or $50 knife, if you get the G10 version, this thing is going to be absolutely fantastic, and it does live up to the hype. In terms of ergonomics, it feels really good in the hand. You've got top jimping here and then bottom jimping on the bottom side. Overall opinion with this knife, guys, if you've got an extra 75 bucks to drop, I would give this a solid 10 out of 10 in all aspects. Whether you get the carbon version or any of the other versions, definitely look into it. It's a great budget knife, and it will perform really well. The only downfall I could potentially see in the future is if I were to bring this thing outdoors, it is on a bearing system, it might rust out and require more maintenance and stuff like that. Myself personally, I will bring a different knife than this guy outside. This is going to be almost the perfect EDC budget knife in my opinion. So before I let you guys go, I wanted to give a huge shout out to someone that I really look up to. His name is Captain Ricky on Instagram. He has some amazing photography skills, and he's kind of the guy I look up to when it comes down to taking a really nice shot. Guys, go check him out. I really just want to throw that out there. He's been really supporting me throughout my entire Instagram endeavors, and like I said, I look up to him. Go check him out. It's just captain.ricky on Instagram. He's a really awesome guy. Let's go ahead and hit up some comments from the previous video. Let's see here. So Jake says, would love to see your thoughts on the CRKT Minimalist. Brother, this one is for you. CRKT Minimalist. We'll make a video on this after I'm done reviewing it. This thing needs to have real pocket time, or I guess neck time in that sense. So this guy will come live soon, guys. Keep the lookout for that. Jake, that video is for you, man. My boy EDC Dauntless says review on the CRKT tuna. So the CRKT tuna we will definitely get in our hands. That's only a $45 knife. I'll get that in as soon as possible and then bring it to the channel. So the last comment here is from Josh. He says, do you have a mini bug out yet? Kind of interested in getting one. Don't have either the full size or the mini bug out, and I can't decide. So yeah, dude, we will definitely get a mini bug out on the channel. I don't have one yet. I absolutely love the bug out. I've been carrying this all the time now. It's fantastic for something lightweight. And just to give you guys a quick size comparison, there is the Elementum next to the bug out. There is the Civivi Elementum. Guys, if you have any other suggestions on any other EDC gear, any other knives that you would like me to review, let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this content, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell icon so you know when that next video is live. If you guys would like to see some photos of the Civivi Elementum, go over to my Instagram profile. It's just gonna be every.day.minimalist, and you guys can see a range of different pictures there. Thank you guys so much for dropping by, and then I guess we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.